You're always afraid to take the first step because all you see is every negative thing 10 miles down the road. You can do anything you want. You are bound by nothing.
Can you edit my voice out?
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift.
So, what do you think you'll do? How are you going to spend your life?
I'm not sure. But I do know. I'm gonna live every minute of it.
One day you'll eat your last meal, smell your last flower, hug your friend for the very last time. You might not know it's the last time, so that's why you should do everything you love with passion.
I have no idea what I'm going to do tomorrow.
How exciting.
Because you'll have bad times, but that'll always wake you up to the good stuff you weren't paying attention to.
Sometimes you gotta get through your fear to see the beauty on the other side.
Your story may not have such a happy beginning, but that doesn't make you who you are. It is the rest of your story, who you choose to be.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
The secret ingredient is nothing.
Huh? You heard me. Nothing. There is no secret ingredient.
Wait. It's just plain old noodle soup? You don't add some kind of special sauce or something?
Don't have to. To make something special, you just have to believe it's special.
Your mind is like this water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear.
You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.
Don't you get it? Look at me. I'll just mess it up again.
So, I mess up all the time, but I still try. That's how come you're my hero, Robin, because no matter what, you always try.
Listen, kid, you can't get rid of fear. It's like Mother Nature. You can't beat her or outrun her. You can get through it. You can find out what you're made of.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for?
It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. Ah, you see?
You are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.